Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you, sorry about the glare, I wanted to show you a few new collections that we got in this week and also give you a little bit of information. But first, let's show you what we got in. This is the new We Are Memory Keeper scoreboard. This is the large one, and look, it has, see if you can see that, it has the 1/8 on it marked. Isn't that great? A lot of people ask me about where the 5/8 is and where the 3/8 is. This has it on there marked, so isn't that wonderful? It also has everything marked on the side as well. So this is a fantastic tool. So not only does this have your scoreboard in it, it also has your scoring tool and the 45-degree score guide. So that's this right here, so that you can score at a 45, and you can make all kinds of things. You can make envelopes, boxes, just tons of things. It has all of this information on the back. So we do have those in. Those are listed. And then, I'll show you that in a minute. We have the Nouveau Crystal Cloud Circles, and I want you to look at these. How beautiful. Those are the little circles. We got those in. And then we got the Nouveau Vanilla Delight. These are the little sequins. Now these are the little circle clouds. They don't have holes in them. They're not the sequin type, but these are the sequins. Then we also got in, and I've showed this in a couple of my videos, the Nouveau Glitter Accents, and this is in Atlantic Drift. Isn't that beautiful? Then, my favorite, we got in the brand new color, Ocean Air, for the Nouveau Aquaflow markers. So the brand new color on these, and these are the brush tip, as you can see right there. So if you've got the Nouveau set, make sure to pick these up, because this will finish your set off to this point. Alright, now we got in the brand new Graphic 45. A lot of people have been asking me about this. We finally got it in. It's the Graphic 45 Imagine. So we've got this in on the front side, on the back side of this sheet. You've got all of these little patterns that you can use and cut out. And then look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This will make such a pretty mini album. There's the back side. And it looks like you get 2 of each sheet. There's, I love that one, those floral, that's so pretty. Back side. These colors are a little different than what Graphic 45 has done before. These deep oranges and all of that. Isn't that pretty? And then here's our clocks and teapots and all of that. And then here's your hot air balloons. There's that one. Here are your butterflies with the clocks in the center of them. Isn't that cute? There is the back side of that. Castles in the air. That is cute. Look at that. Very nice. There's the back side. And then more hot air balloons. And the back side. And then a sticker sheet comes with this package. Lots of stickers in there. And then you can also get, I'll turn that over for a moment. Nope, I better turn it back over. It's got information on the other side. You can also get the solids, the 8x8, the die cuts, the frames and tags, or frames. Yeah, frames and tags, the chipboard, all of the normal stuff that comes with Graphic 45. You can get that as well. We have all of that in stock. I just didn't bring it over here to show you because this is the main thing, is this paper. So go over and grab that while we still have some. We didn't get in a lot. We've got more on order, but we got in a few. So go grab that while you can. Now, what this is all about, Getaway. As most of you know, in the last 2 weeks we've had 2 deaths in our family. They were father and daughter. It was my husband's brother-in-law and his niece. My husband's brother-in-law and my husband's niece. So it was his daughter passed away, and then on the day that we were burying her, the dad passed away on that day. So we have had quite a bit of tragedy in our family. It was unexpected for both of them. Quite a bit of tragedy in our family the last couple of weeks, and it has really taken a toll on me, my husband especially. As you know, most of you know, he has a severe heart condition and kidney failure, so it has just taken a toll. Let me just say that. I don't want to talk about it too much because if I do I'll start crying, but we've just decided that we need to get away for a little while. So next week, we're leaving tomorrow on Sunday. Whatever day you're watching this, we're going to be leaving on Sunday the 10th. And we just need to get away and kind of regroup ourselves and have a little bit of family time and just, I don't know, just crash, I guess. But I wanted to let you guys know that I may not have but maybe one video up next week as far as a tutorial is concerned. Now, if you want me to, I will be happy to do some vlogs of where we're traveling. We don't even know. We're just going to leave out and go. We don't even know where we're going exactly, but we're heading east from, over toward the Outer Banks, that kind of thing. So I don't know where we'll stop, where we'll end up. But if you want me to, I'll be happy to do some live feeds or vlogs or whatever from over there. Just leave it in the comments if you're interested in that, if you're interested in seeing what we're doing, where we're going, that kind of thing, the scenery. Just let me know. I'll be happy to do that. But one tutorial is all I'm going to be able to get done today so that I can get it up next week. So I hope that won't disappoint you guys very much. I do apologize, but I'm just going to have to take a little bit of a break. We should be back on the 18th, I believe it is, and we'll get back in gear from there. Now, while we're gone, the store is going to be open. The online store will be open. We're not going to close it down. You can still place your orders, but we just won't be able to ship until we get back on that Monday. The reason being is our daughters are going with us, and they work with us in the store and help ship and package and all that kind of stuff. And they're going with us to just, they need some time to get away too. So, they're going to be going, and we're going to leave the store live so you can make your purchases, but just keep in mind that it won't ship out until we get back on that Monday. So we thought about it, and we thought, well, we try to ship within 24 hours, so let's do a little bit of something for our faithful followers and all you people who subscribe to our YouTube channel and all of that kind of stuff. So we're going to do a little bit of something for you while we're gone. If you make a purchase, you can use Getaway, written just like this, and you'll get 20% off of everything that you purchase, other than the clearance items, of course. But if you use this Getaway, then it'll get you 20% off of your purchase. So we hope that will be a little bit of consolation as far as, having to wait a couple of more days on your order to get to you. And I think that's all that I have to say to you today. Like I said, we just need some time. We've got to regroup, rethink, and just take some time for family and do some talking and laughing and, just get away. And I hope you guys do understand. I know you will. You guys are so, so sweet. I really appreciate each and every one of you. All of you new people who have subscribed, I appreciate you sticking there with us, and we will be back on track in about 11 days. All right, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, I'll have all the links to these new products in the comments below. Go over and check them out. If you want to wait till tomorrow, this code will go live tomorrow so that you can start purchasing then. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.